If you have a Mac and you are using a third-party mouse, be it a Bluetooth mouse or a USB receiver mouse, you notice scrolling through articles, especially in web browsers, is very jittery. And if you think buying the expensive Magic Mouse is the only way to solve this problem, hold that thought. In this video, I will show you how to get smooth scrolling on your Mac with any mouse. Let's get started. First, download an app called Mouse. It is open source and completely free. I will leave the link in the description. Once installed, the app runs in the background. You will see its icon in the menu bar at the top. Click on it, open Preferences, then go to Scrolling section and enable Seamless Scrolling. By default, invert wheel direction is turned on. You can disable it. Now let's see the difference. You can see how smooth the scrolling feels as soon as we enable Seamless Scrolling. This video is recorded at 30 frames per second, so you might not see a big difference, but you will notice it when you try this. This app also lets you scroll horizontally if you hold down the toggle key, which is the Shift key. This feature comes in handy if you are scrolling through timeline in video editing or you are reading a landscape document. For this to work, mouse needs to keep running in the background. If you quit the app, scrolling will get jittery again. The good part is, it uses very little memory, roughly around 20 megabytes of RAM, so it won't affect performance. You can also enable launch on login, so it starts automatically every time you boot your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.